Happy Halloween morning. It's early. I'm piddling in my garage. Welcome to my channel. I'm Gil Buddy. And, Gil like the fish. Buddy, I'm a friend of fish because I only catch and release. And that I say fish. However, yesterday I was inspired by a Malcolm Reed from How to Barbecue Right tutorial on smoked bacon wrapped sausage. I decided yesterday to put a Tex-Mex take on it, living in Austin, Texas. There's more about me at the end of the video, but for now, let me show you my take on a Malcolm Reed inspired bacon wrapped smoked sausage. And I hope you enjoy it. Keep watching. Okay, we're going to wrap the sausage with a slice of bacon and see what it looks like. Get it on the tray. All right, just going to simply wrap it. According to my man Malcolm Reed, nothing special. Just get it. It actually sticks all by itself. One. Butterfingers. But we'll make it. We will make it. Two. Doesn't have to be real neat. Just get it on there. Get it wrapped. And four. Just a quick lunch for me and the wifey and the daughter. All right, and there you have it. Prep is done. Be right back with some magic dust. All right, well, I'm going to go ahead and go with Killer Hogs hot barbecue rub. I'm going to dust it a little bit. Not make it too spicy, but a little sprinkle here, a little sprinkle on both sides. A little turn here. All right, get the other side. All right, so what have we done? All right, well, being here in Austin, Texas, I got to go with the Southside Market beef sausage. That's our preference. And then for the bacon, I just went simple. Little hickory smoked from our local H-E-B. And now we're ready to go make sure the pellet grill is all fired up, ready to go. All right, coming outside to check the temp. Looks like we're at 271. We want to go to 275. And we'll give it a couple of minutes. And we'll be ready to get the bacon wrapped Southside Market sausage on the grill and let it do its magic. I can't wait to taste it. Okay, so my Camp Chef pellet grill is up to temp, 275. Let's get them on. I'm gonna go crossways so I get a little side burn, hopefully. Get them in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we will check them in about an hour. Okay, so it's been about an hour. It's time to give them a turn. Oh yeah, they're looking really, really good. Just a quick turn. Oh yeah, that's already caramelizing. There you go. Smelling really good. It's getting that smoke on them. The bacon's wrapped up tight. And then we'll check back. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. And it's time now for us to go ahead and brush on. And I'm just going with H-E-B bacon burger barbecue sauce. You can pick whatever you want. But I like to support our local businesses. And you're just looking for the bacon to brown on both sides. And I had a request, no sauce on 2. So I'm gonna sauce 2 and go natural, no sauce. with the other two. So we're going to let this go for another 10 minutes just so that sauce can caramelize. A little brush on, that's it. No big deal. And we'll come back in 10 minutes. Tastes good. Okay, so being in Austin, Texas, it's going to be a sausage wrap and on a nice flour tortilla. Again, I'm going to support HEB with their bakery flour tortillas. Have them on the comal here to get them nice and warm. And then we're about 3 minutes away from coming off the grill. Getting on my setup. Got some Whataburger mustard. And one of our favorites. And homemade serrano pepper salsa from Mercy's Kitchen. And we'll be ready to go very shortly. By the way, you know the comal is at right temperature when you get that bubble effect on your flour tortilla, whether they're homemade or store-bought. That's what you want to look for. Get that crust on the outside. Okay, real quick recap. Took some Southside Market sausage, wrapped it in bacon, fired up the my Camp Chef pellet grill. Today I'm burning oak pellets. I love burning oak. A lot of Texas smokers prefer. Got it turned up, dialed in at 275, and now it's time for us to pull them off. They should be completely ready, and let's see what, oh yeah, check it out. You got nice caramelization on the bacon wrapped sausage with the barbecue sauce, and for the unsauced, because you got that magic dust from Malcolm Reed on there, the hot barbecue rub, you're not losing anything. Not losing anything at all. Let's get them inside, plate them up. So here's the finished product. Now we're gonna do a little Tex-Mex flair and dress them up Tex-Mex style. We're gonna take one of the plain with no sauce. I'm gonna pull a fresh hot tortilla off, lay it down, because I'm gonna eat this one. Got to go with some Whataburger mustard. Then I'm going to drizzle on some of Mercy's Kitchen homemade salsa. She's actually won 3 chili contests. Salsa contest, rather. So there you go. I take off on a Malcolm Reed bacon wrapped sausage smoke. Real quick, about an hour and a half. 1 hour as they go. Sauce in turn for 15 minutes. Pull off after 10. And there you go. Loving a tortilla. Time to eat. All right, so I'm a big fan of Malcolm Reed at How to Barbecue Right. Make sure to subscribe to his YouTube channel. I'm Gil Buddy on YouTube. And I'll be cooking, fishing, smoking, and putting out videos as I have time. But I couldn't help it today. I had to get my premiere video together on something good to eat. So here's first bite on that Tex-Mex version of Malcolm Reed's bacon wrapped sausage smoke. And I'm also repping Vogue mask, all right, which is one of the really best high quality masks during COVID or any other time. I happen to be a transplant survivor, so masks are very important to me. They're part of my everyday life. Double lung transplant almost 4 years ago. So this is a huge debut video that I'm putting together. And for the first bite, I got to take the mask off. Here we go. The glaze with the sauce, it's a good thing. Southside Market and Elgin sausage stands on its own merit. Of course, Malcolm Reed's hot barbecue rub. Those flavors are just dancing in my mouth. The Whataburger mustard, you can put it on anything. If you like mustard, I certainly do. And then there's a good old HEB bakery tortilla. Tex-Mex, you gotta like it. By the way, while I'm chewing, pardon my chewing, but I can't stop. I love to represent local businesses. So today I'm repping my boy Cody Perkins at K-Perk Signs and Graphics. It's not paint, it's a wrap. I think I said that backwards. No, that's right. It's not a paint job, it's a wrap. That's what Cody does. Find him in the ATX online. Also repping Walmart. They're really cool, 100% cotton, really cheap, long sleeve tees. And there you have it. I got Vogue Mask, K-Perk, Walmart, Southside Market, Whataburger Mustard, Mercy's Kitchen's homemade salsa, HEB for the barbecue sauce, for the tortilla, for the bacon. It's what you want to make it. Smoking is a good thing. And keep it going on the pellet grill from Camp Chef. This is Gil Buddy. Gonna finish my food. Wonderful day here in Austin, Texas. God bless you and everyone. And we'll talk to you soon. Subscribe to my channel. Give it a like. Give it a share. This is gonna be the first of more to come. Fishing one next. Coming up, the hashtag My Little Pony Fishing Challenge. That's right, it's a real thing. My Little Pony Fishing Challenge. My granddaughter caught her first solo catch 2-pound bass on a My Little Pony kid cast reel, and I'm like, okay, if she can do that, I gotta beat it. I'm a competitor, and I'm gonna put that challenge out to everybody. Look for this video coming up soon. Hashtag My Little Pony Fishing Challenge, and all the details will be upcoming soon. This is Gil Buddy signing off. I gotta go.